Hello, and welcome to Hello Word, the podcast where we explore the beauty and versatility of the English language, one word at a time. I'm Alex, your host, and I'm thrilled you're here. Today's word is address, a B2, level verb that means to deal with or focus on a problem, topic, or situation. Let's break it down. When you address something, you're giving it your attention and working to handle it in some way. For example, a teacher might address a student's question by explaining the concept further, or a manager could address an issue at work by organizing a meeting to find a solution. Some useful synonyms for address include tackle, approach, and handle. You could say, "We need to tackle this issue before it becomes a bigger problem," or "How should we approach the topic in the presentation?" These words share a similar focus on solving or dealing with something. Now, let's consider antonyms. Words like ignore, neglect, and overlook are the opposite of address. For instance, if you ignore the feedback, the problem might persist, or it's not wise to neglect important responsibilities. These words highlight the act of not paying attention to something, which contrasts sharply with address. In everyday life, we often use address in various contexts. At work, you might hear, "Let's address the customer's complaint as soon as possible." In a classroom, a teacher might say, "Today, we'll address the topic of climate change." Even in casual conversations, someone could say, "I'll address that later when I have more time." Here are some more examples to illustrate how address works in sentences. The company held a meeting to address employee concerns. She decided to address her fears by taking small, manageable steps. The speech was written to address the nation's economic challenges. To sum up, address is a powerful verb that helps us describe the act of dealing with issues, topics, or situations in a focused way. I hope today's exploration of address has added to your English vocabulary and inspired you to use it confidently. Before we wrap up, I'd love to hear from you. Can you create your own sentence using the word address? Share it in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. It really helps more people find the show and learn along with us. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'll see you next time on Hello Word.